Jai the student, today we are going to discuss the another topic, that is mail order business. What is mail order business? We can say that mail order house are retail organization which carry on a business through the mail. Mail order business is also known as selling through the post for the retailer and shopping by post for the consumer. So under this, the retailer contact the prospective customer through the some of the sort, sort of the advertising, and advertising is carried through the press TV by sending leaflets and catalog given necessary detail about the product. Mail order house maintain the mailing list of the potential customers. They send the literature about the product through the mail, and they also mail reply paid card to the prospective customer. When they receive order, they will produce a goods and dispatch them to the customer, usually by the value payable post. Sometimes the goods are sent by the railway parcel, and the railway receipt is forwarded to the customers. Many mail order house also send the goods order through the courier. So mail order business suitable under the following condition. We can say that goods are identified by brand name or the standardized quality. Goods enjoy popular demand by the customer, scatter over the wide area, and goods do not require demonstration on special scale and handling the use. So goods are durable and do not get spoiled in the course of transits. First features: no personal contact. Goods are sold without any personal contact between the seller and the buyer. Order for goods are received and executed by the post. Second feature: mode of payment. Goods are usually sent to the customer by value payable post. The postman will deliver the goods after receiving the payment from the buyer. Thus, post office act as an agent of the mail order house as it collect payment on the behalf of the mail order house. Next, role of the brand name. In mail order business, the customer cannot expect the goods. He will send order by describing a brand name and code number of the product required. Next advanced features: role or advertisement. Advertisement is the backbone of mail order business. We can say the information about the availability of a various product is provided to the prospective customer through the advertisement in different media such as press, journal, and magazine. Next features, that is capital requirement. Mail order business can be started with the small amount of capital as there is no need to keep huge stock. Goods could be manufactured on the receipt of order. Moreover, it is not at the and no need to keep a huge stock. Goods could be manufactured on the receipt of order. Moreover, it is not all necessary to have the business established in some central location. It should be started even the residence of the proprietor. Next, merit. Convenience shopping. First, the buyer need not to travel a long distance to reach the retailer store to get the delivery of goods. He can get them at the place of his residence, and he is generally given a money back guarantee. He can return the goods if goods are not up to the mark. Next, economic in operation. The mail order business house can be located at less expensive locality. There is no need to maintain large sale for force to have showroom for the display of goods. Next, small investment goods are can be procured after receiving order of the customers. Thus, blocking of capital can be avoided as a businessman can operate with a small investment. Next, direct contact. The seller is able to establish direct touch with the customer. Can directly know the reaction of his customer, satisfy them he have any grievance and misappearance. Next, wide range. Mail order business very much suitable where the prospective customer can scatter over the wide area. And last, no bad debt. The post office act as a carrier of goods and the collector of the sale proceed. The chance of the bad debt are nil. A businessman can meet the needs of the large number of customers scattered throughout the country with the help of the facility provided by the post office. Thank you.